Well, thank you very much, PT, ha. Talaga namang we appreciate your effort, no? Ano pong balita kita, Tatay Digong?
So of course, no. Okay. So of course, thank you. I'll make it a generalized statement lang kasi as you all know, sinabihan kami sa loob na as much as possible to refrain from sharing information about PRRD. So all I can say is that he's doing good and he's alive. And ayun, he's looking forward to the coming visits of the other family members, which will be his grandchildren. So, pag alis ni Kong Pulong ay dadating yung mga apo and then sasamahan ko sila to teach them what to do inside, kung ano yung gusto ni PRRD. And then when they're all settled, I can leave them here para sila na naman yung mag-take over with the visits.
Kailan po expected ang pag-uwi ni Kong Pulo?
I think, kailan ba ngayon? Within this or next week, uwi na siya.
So you'll be here to shepherd the grandchildren?
Yes.
You will be the big aten?
Yes.
Kalusugan.
Tita ako, pero yung mga pamangkin ko, malalaki na.
Oo.
Malalaki na. And also si VM, si Rigo, si Kong Omar, and yung yung babae, si Isabel.
Ay, very good, very good. Well, anyway, how does he look po? Health-wise naman?
Health-wise, he looks the same. I think the fact that most of the family are here to visit, it makes him, it makes him stronger mentally and physically and emotionally. So,
Ano ba ang mood niya ngayon? Smiling naman?
smiling naman, yes. Kasi, ayun, ang daming sinusumbong ni Kong Pulong na ginagawa ko na wala naman akong ginagawa. So, ayun, yung parang kuya, tatay lang na ano. So yeah, it was a good talk with both of them. The three of us had good and light conversations today. And ayun, we told him of the schedules ng mga dadating na family members in
Yeah, he
the
was, of
following
course, happy.
days. Yes.
Very
To hear that.
Okay. Well, hindi na po kami magtatagal dahil umuulan. And mga first-timers, they want a picture with you. Okay? Go ahead. O, diyan ka na lang. Talagang ikaw ang support. O, may camera na kayo? Okay. Yung family na may baby. Kahapon pa kayo.
Nandito rin dyan ka na, okay?
Yan. Okay. Yan.